one's broken. All right, down to the basement. Oh wow, these things are in rough shape. Ooh, runs decently. Somebody out there on the phone. Don't want to disturb them. Oh my god, this thing is, oh, the indicator works a little bit. Jesus. Oh, that's a different kind of Westinghouse arrow. Let's see, can we get the bell? Oh, come on, you just lit up. Well, Westinghouse is going to be Westinghouse right now, so I guess we're not seeing the bell. This is dead. This is like 10 at night, so there's really not many people here. This is the convention floor. Let's take another ride down and up, huh? Well, we've got this thing empty. So that other car right there does not work. That thing is out of service. It's just this one. Down we go. Yeah, this thing is even worse. I filmed this thing like 7 years ago by now. I think we all remember that video. And yeah, this thing has somehow degressed from there, or regressed. That's not a terribly hard stop, honestly. Slam. Cab view. Looks like the fan got the landlord special. I'm surprised this whole ass elevator didn't get just painted over with that ugly white paint. Let's get ready to rumble. Okay, go down one more time. Let's look at this panel, why don't we? Looks like this is held in by screws. This door, this little cabinet door. These are screwed. Look at these buttons. Some guy had to come through with a Sharpie and relabel them all. Good Lord. These have seen better days. But it is a Westinghouse, after all. It's still a Westie. Whew, hard stop. Not terrible for Westie. Look at this. Just a random, look at this door. I don't want to safety break it, but look at this. Look how crusty this is. Oh my God, you can see right out through the doors. Woo! Oh my God, look, they literally just bolted on these little rubber bits. Oh, it sways a little bit, that's nice, but look at that. It's held on by bolts. Good old Westinghouse, huh? Let's send it because I want to hear the bell. You think we're gonna get a video without hearing a Westie dinner bell? No. Hear the one upstairs. closing up. Oh, and just because this thing is fun, let's write it up. 11's burnt out. Yeah, but we're going up there, so at least the button still works. Have an interesting California code AE, very rare. You can't tell I'm being sarcastic. I don't think it's supposed to be sticking out like that. Ooh, time to party. Oh, I bet we can get another shot of the bell. Why the hell not? I have nothing better going on right now. And that one's, oh my God. Dude, look at this thing. I think this thing has been broken for a while. Oh my God, look how much leeway the doors have. I kind of want to go up and investigate on the video. Okay, I've dicked around for long enough. Oh my God, this thing is screwed. Let's just, you know what? I'm gonna end it here. I'll go investigate that, but if it's broken, it's broken. There's nothing to see. Anyway, it's gonna do the Westinghouse thing and just sit open, so that's it.